Updating your billing address on Canva is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Canva website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to update the billing address. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Navigate to Billing section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your billing address. Locate the section for your billing address. Click the edit button next to your current address. Enter your new billing address details in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. Now you have successfully updated your billing address on Canva. Regularly check your account details to ensure all information remains accurate.